Welcome to my place. I'm gonna show you a small Tesla coil I built some time ago. Okay, let's start and plug it in. First of all, we're gonna test sparkle coming out of high voltage end. It has violet color and is about 5 millimeter long. Okay, let's see how different lamps are glowing. This one I took from bedroom, and it glowing right in my hands without any connection. You can put it in, put it out, play Star Wars. Okay, let's see how it's glowing inside. Really beautiful. Now I'm gonna test LED bulb, which is 2 watt. If I'm holding contact, it will lighten better. And of course inside. Also we can connect it directly to a high voltage end, and let's see what's gonna happen. Now you can hear even how sparkles sound. For the other one we're gonna test my test coil basically. It's about 60 turns of thin wire and small LED lamp. And now you see completely wireless energy transmission. And a single LED. Not connected directly to the coil. For the last one we're gonna check neon bulb, which is more sensitive. And now my gimbal starting go crazy because of that electric field around Tesla coil. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.